Croa, Thunga here. Today we talk about a big mystery of modern world, AI. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, Thunga make it simple. AI means artificial intelligence. Big words, but simple meaning. It is like a brain we humans build. Not inside skull, but inside stone box we call computer. Imagine, Thunga see deer tracks in mud. Thunga think, deer go this way. Me go that way. Me get dinner. That is intelligence. Now imagine a big magic stone that can also see deer tracks and tell Thunga where to hunt. That stone brain is AI. Long ago, humans made fire. Then humans made tools. Then humans made wheel. Step by step, humans also made machine that can think. But thinking in its own way. Not like human brain, but still very powerful. AI learns from data. What is data? Like hunting stories told again and again. If Thunga tells story of hunting 10 times, next hunter learns pattern. AI works the same. Show it many stories, and it starts seeing patterns too. But AI no eat meat. No eat fruit. AI only eat data. Ones and zeros. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yummy for AI. AI is everywhere. When you talk to shiny box called phone, and it answer back. That is AI. When you see picture suggestions on magic screen, that is AI. Even when you hear Thunga voice today, guess what? AI helping too. AI makes life faster, easier, sometimes even funnier. But we must use it wisely. Fire cooks food, but fire also burn hot. Same with AI. Tool is only as good as hunter who use it. Respect privacy. Don't throw tribe secrets into the wind. Use AI like sharp spear, point the right way. So remember, AI is just stone brain of today. It learns. It helps. But it needs us to guide it. If you learned something new today, give this video a big bomba. Subscribe and join the Thunga tribe so Thunga tell you more secrets of modern world in Ooga Booga style. And don't forget to leave a Thunga in the comments so I know you visited my cave.